as it makes me, but I wish I could. So bad. Y'all gonna sing again? Baby,
We're playing games with your
sing the song.
really true.
Now when I point you guys over here, we want you guys to sing the first half of the chorus, okay?
Oh, no.
When I point you guys over here, we want you guys to help us finish it off. You got that? Here we go now.
We're playing games in my heart before you tear us apart. We're playing
Not that,
games
not
in my
that.
heart.
Let's see about you guys over here now.
You know you gotta stop. You're tearing us apart. We're playing games in my heart.
Let's let me do it by ourselves, okay?
We're playing games with my heart.
Come on, you sing out of that.
Tear us apart. We're playing games with my
Oh
heart.
yeah, much better. Here we go, you guys. You guys sound beautiful, Cincinnati.
Bring it back, y'all.